Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session. In this video, let us see how we can bring Mapbox maps. In the previous video, we have seen that Neo WMS maps, right? Now let us explore this Mapbox map, how we can bring that. Just click on this. So any style name you can give here, but before that you need that URL to bring the Mapbox maps into Tableau. First go to this Google, just enter Mapbox maps. Here you're able to see this, right? Mapbox.com. Just open this mapbox.com. So if you have the credentials, then log in, or else if you are coming for the first time, just sign up with the details and then log in into mapbox.com. Now click on this login. When you log in into the mapbox.com, so you will be coming to this page, your account details, and this account also you are able to see this, right? You will be coming to this page. First, just click on this start by designing a map. See here, already some maps are there that I built for some of the use cases, but now I'm not using these ones. Even if you want to use, you can use this. Okay, just if you click on this share your style, you'll get the URL. Just enter the URL in Tableau here, then you'll get the Mapbox map. But if you want to customize the map, if you want to bring your own style of map, then click on this new style. Here choose from the options that it is providing. See here, it is blank, monochrome, streets. So any type of map, which type of map you want, just select the type of the map. Okay, just I'm clicking on this basic. Even if you want to, or else let us go with outdoors. See, once you click on this, just click on this customize outdoors. What this customization will gives you is, see here it provides you to get the, see here some options are there, right? So when you are clicking on this buildings, if you want to show the buildings, see which color you want to show, whether if the buildings are there, let me take yellow. Okay, I'm choosing this yellow. Okay, like this, if you want to do any modifications, if you want to add any colors, so road network based on your requirement. So if you want to design the boundaries of this, just select the type and give the colors. Customization is up to you, so whichever way you want, you can do that. After you are done with your customizations, just go to this place. Here you are able to see this share option, right? Just click on this share. Here this preview only, and go to, just scroll down here, developer resources. Here just click on this third party. Again click on this drop down. Here you are able to see this option, right? Tableau. Just click on this Tableau. Now you can use this URL. See, just click on the copy of, you need to copy that URL. But before copying, just make sure that when you are getting this URL, just make sure you are getting the username, your username or not. Here my username is coming here. Okay, just make sure that. Now again go to this, give the name as Mapbox and enter the URL. Click on OK. See, you are bringing the Mapbox map here. Again, if you go to a new sheet, again country wise, sales you are taking. So if you want to bring the Mapbox map, go to background maps. See here, you are able to see this one, right? This is the name we have given to that map box, right? Just use the map box. So this is how you can add the third-party maps into Tableau. Thank you guys.